Tesla solar roof vs solar panel. Which one is worth it? Installing a solar roof involves replacing the entire roof, which can be complex and time-consuming. In contrast, traditional solar panels offer more flexibility in installation locations and may be easier to integrate into existing structures. How could the decision between a Tesla solar roof and conventional solar panels impact your home's aesthetics, finances, and environmental footprint? The evolution of Tesla's solar roof. Let's take a closer look at the journey of Tesla's solar roof, a groundbreaking venture that merges solar technology with the traditional roofing concept. You see, Tesla, renowned for its electric vehicles, ventured into the solar energy realm following CEO Elon Musk's acquisition of SolarCity in 2016. It was a bold move, marking Tesla's expansion beyond cars into the domain of sustainable energy solutions. The solar roof, a brainchild of this endeavor, emerged in 2017, promising not just solar functionality, but also a sleek and seamless integration with the architectural aesthetics of homes. It was a game-changer, offering homeowners an alternative to conventional solar panels while enhancing the visual appeal of their residences. Fast forward to October 2022, and Tesla reported a significant uptick in solar installations, reflecting a growing interest in renewable energy solutions. However, by November 2022, Electrek broke the news that Tesla was halting numerous solar projects nationwide, signaling a strategic shift towards prioritizing larger-scale solar endeavors over individual residential installations. This move sparked discussions about Tesla's evolving strategy in the solar market and its focus on optimizing resources for maximum impact. Today, if you visit Tesla's website, you'll find both solar roof and solar panel options available, with the availability of solar roof contingent upon your location. Comparing Tesla's offering with other solar shingles, let's explore the world of solar roof tiles and see how Tesla's solar roof stacks up against other options in production, efficiency, and cost. You see, Tesla isn't the only player in this game. Companies like Certainteed Solar, GAF Energy, Hanergy, Suntegra, and LUMA Solar offer their versions of solar shingles, providing consumers with various choices. But here's the catch. While Tesla's solar roof is undeniably innovative and sleek, it comes with a premium price tag, often costing up to 75% more than a typical solar panel system. Now let's break down the numbers. Regarding production, efficiency, and cost per watt, Tesla's solar roof falls within a specific range, offering a unique blend of aesthetics and functionality. However, it's essential to consider factors beyond just the price. Factors like product warranty, durability, customer ratings, and the overall reputation of the solar company. And here's some good news. Like with other solar installations, opting for Tesla's solar roof makes you eligible for the Federal Solar Investment Tax Credit, ITC, allowing you to claim 30% of your installation costs on your taxes. Breaking down Tesla's solar roof. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of Tesla's solar roof and see what sets it apart from traditional solar panel systems. On the plus side, many homeowners find Tesla solar roofs more aesthetically pleasing than bulky solar panels, seamlessly integrating solar cells into the roof for a sleek, modern look. Plus, if you already need a roof replacement, opting for a solar roof can kill two birds with one stone, combining roofing and solar technology into one innovative product. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Firstly, the premium cost of a Tesla solar roof can be a significant deterrent for some, especially since it doesn't necessarily offer added efficiency or production compared to traditional solar panels. Additionally, there have been reported issues with solar project cancellations and scaling back of Tesla's solar division, along with instances of significant price increases after initial estimates. Furthermore, the installation process for a solar roof typically takes longer, ranging from 5 to 7 days, compared to just 1 to 3 days for a traditional solar panel system. So while the idea of a Tesla solar roof may sound appealing, weighing these pros and cons carefully before deciding is essential. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit the like button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. The rise of solar power. By now, you've probably heard about solar panels. They're becoming common on rooftops and even in yards. They've become more affordable lately, which is excellent news for anyone looking to switch to cleaner energy options. Whether on your roof or in your yard, solar panels offer a way to generate electricity without relying on fossil fuels like coal or natural gas. Sure, they can be a bit pricey upfront, but the benefits are worth considering. Lower energy bills, a smaller carbon footprint, and even a boost in your property value. So while many brands and types are out there, the bottom line is that solar panels offer a sustainable and eco-friendly way to power your home. Choosing between traditional solar panels and a Tesla solar roof. Choosing between traditional solar panels and a Tesla solar roof involves considering various factors, starting with pricing. Solar systems costs depend on your property's characteristics, installation needs, and local permitting costs. Typically, traditional solar panels are more cost-effective, with industry estimates suggesting a price range of $3 to $4 per watt for a standard system. In contrast, the Tesla solar roof tends to be pricier, potentially nearing $5 per watt, which could mean around $25,000 for a 5-kilowatt system. However, weighing the longevity and durability of the Tesla solar roof's shingles is essential, as it may reduce replacement costs over time. Regarding installation, traditional solar panels offer more flexibility, as they can be installed on roofs or in yards, while the Tesla solar roof requires replacing the entire roof. This could make finding a qualified contractor trickier, although Tesla claims certified installers are available in many areas. In terms of solar power capabilities, both options can effectively meet your energy needs. However, traditional solar panels might offer more scalability, allowing for easier expansion if your electricity requirements increase. Additionally, conventional solar panels are more efficient than the solar roof. Ultimately, the choice depends on your preferences, budget, and long-term energy goals. For now, regular solar panels offer more versatility and affordability for most individuals considering transitioning to solar energy. They've been around for a while, proven to work well, and are generally more budget-friendly. While Tesla's solar roof is an intriguing option with its innovative custom tiles, the expense may deter many people. At this stage, it might be more practical to opt for the more straightforward route to save energy costs and reduce environmental impact. The decision between a Tesla solar roof and traditional solar panels hinges on various factors, including cost, installation complexity, and long-term viability. While the solar roof offers sleek aesthetics and integration, its premium price tag and installation challenges may need to be revised. On the other hand, traditional solar panels provide flexibility, affordability, and proven efficiency, making them a more practical choice for many homeowners. As solar energy continues to rise in popularity, it's essential to weigh these considerations carefully to make an informed decision that aligns with your aesthetic preferences, financial situation, and environmental goals. Whether you opt for a solar roof's innovative appeal or traditional panels' tried and tested functionality, transitioning to solar power represents a significant step towards sustainability and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.